Welcome to Files Node tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to import various types of data into PolyAnalyst for further analysis. To start, drag and drop the Files node into the Node palette. Right-click on the node and select Properties. To navigate folders and files, click the plus button. Browse to the folder or files you wish to import, then click OK. On the right side, you'll see the file format options. The Files node can import various formats of document files as datasets. If you need to import other formats, you can add or delete file extensions as needed. Check Limit Folder Depth checkbox if you want to import files from subfolders. Check Files or Emails checkbox if the files are in email format. Use explicit encoding. Check this and select the encoding type if the file uses a specific encoding. Update mode. Choose whether to replace all rows upon execution or append new data to existing file data. Binary data. Decide if you want to discard, load, or reload binary data. Extract from. Configure this to import separate sentences or passages as independent records instead of entire documents. Process archives. Check this to import zipped files. Exclude non-text records. Check this to ignore non-text records. When unchecked, the node will try to extract links to images. Load formatting. Check this to load formatting information. Extract simple PDF tables. Use this to process simple PDF tables. Extract advanced PDF tables. Enable this for thorough table extraction and improved document structure analysis. Do not extract PDF tables. Check this to ignore table structures in PDFs. Extract images. Enable this to import images. Extract headers and footers. Only docx check this to extract information from headers and footers in Word documents. Extract only informative HTML content. Use this to filter out non-informative content like page headers, footers, and navigation panels. Append metadata columns. Check this to add extra columns with metadata, such as headlines or authors, to the output dataset. Extract texts as raw bytes. Use this to import a file as plain text without processing by format parsers. If unchecked, the node extracts text with tags and metadata removed. Optical character recognition. OCR. Select this option from the drop-down menu to enable OCR. Split tables in a sheet. Use this when there are multiple sheets in an Excel spreadsheet. In the Sample tab, you can import specific rows of data by selecting options such as importing data only between starting and ending rows, reading every nth row, or filtering data based on column conditions. In the Column Specification tab, you can select wanted columns or deselect unwanted columns. Then when all the configuration is done, click Execute and check the file sources that are imported. Thank you for watching.